welcome to Curry TV. Today I'd like to introduce you to my version of chicken roast. This is a great combination with rice, chapati or parota or even appams. It's going to be coming soon. Stay tuned for those. So let me show you what all are needed for this to make the great chicken recipe. So this is about 6 chicken thighs. It's with bone. That's more flavor. I'm sorry for those people who doesn't like with the bone. This gives that broth a much rich in flavor. This is about 3 medium-sized red onion, 3 tomatoes, cut in long pieces, curry leaves as desired, and I have whole garlic and ginger. I'm going to be making this into a fine paste. I don't like to buy the processed garlic paste and ginger paste. I like to crush them myself. So I'll prepare that pretty soon. And the spices that we will be using are about 7 to 8, depending on, this is Thai chilies. So this is 8 Thai chilies split in half. Garam masala, red chili powder. This is turmeric powder, whole black pepper, salt to taste, coconut oil. You can substitute the coconut oil with sunflower oil or whatever flavors, vegetable oil, canola oil, it doesn't matter. I just like to stick with the coconut oil. Our pan is heating up. Adding a couple spoons of the coconut oil, or maybe 3. Yeah, 3 is good. Pan is heated, oil is warm. Let's add in the crushed garlic and ginger. Once you warm up the ginger and garlic first, it enhances the flavor in chicken curry. Just try it next time. We just want it to get translucent, not brown out. We are ready for our onions. Have you ever smelled garlic ginger paste in coconut oil? It smells fantastic. Okay, that's 3 medium onions. We're going to help this process by adding some salt into this. That will help the onions get translucent. Eight Thai chilies. Look at that. Salt did its magic. In goes the curry leaves. And I'm just getting the tomatoes ready. I'm going to add 1 big or 2 big teaspoons of garam masala, 1 big spoon of red chili powder, half turmeric powder, we're going to give it a mix. I'm going to lower the heat. I don't want the spices to get burned. Look at that color. We're ready for our tomatoes. That's 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Let's just cover this and let it do its magic. Let's check. Tomato is doing its magic. Look at that. I'm not adding any water to this. The chicken will release its flavor into this. Here we go. This is de-skinned and I've cut up all the fat away. I don't know, I just want to be healthy, I guess. Why add more? So this is one thigh cut in half. Let's give it a stir. Chicken takes about 15 minutes or so to cook. We like ours medium well done. So it's all mixed in well. I'm going to put the flame onto medium heat. Cover for first 5 minutes and then check back. Okay, we're going to check on our chicken. Ooh. Look at that juicy chicken. Oh, wow. Okay, it's about halfway done. At this stage, the chicken is about 60% done. I like to add 1 more spoon of garam masala. This is homemade garam masala. I'll share my recipe with you. I like to have the chicken curry in a dark brown color. I don't know why, but I just like it. For that, to change the color, you could either add crushed black pepper or you can do the easy way out. That's about it. Chicken is about done. Let's see. Give it a last stir. The gravy has thickened. Look at that. We didn't put any water in, none whatsoever. And it's just 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. That's all I have used. At this stage, if you like coriander leaves, please do add some. Turn off the heat. Let's splatter up. Ooh. I'm sorry. This piece is calling my name. Oh wow. There we go. Oh wow. Okay. I just came back from heaven. Look at this. It's nice and juicy inside. It's medium well done. It's not too rubbery or anything. It's just perfect. You could have this with appam, bread, parota, chapati, you name it, you can have it. Just not, I can have it by like this. Oh. You guys want to try it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. A little spicy, but it's good.
Mm-hmm. Right? Good?
Yeah, no spice.
No spice? It's not spicy for you?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, for you it might be a little spicy, but not for her, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can I have one more?
Uh-huh.
I want
I thought it was
one more
spicy.
piece. I want one more piece. One more piece.
Please do give it a try. Let me know your comments. I love to hear from you guys, and please subscribe and share these videos with your family and friends. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more videos.